Whoa! Hey, we've been looking for you.
Metric! I'm so glad you're okay.
Wait, what?
Metric! You're safe.
Umba! What's going on here?
I don't know. I don't know.
Which one of you is the real Umba?
I am! It's me. Don't trust her.
How can we tell them apart?
We must ask a question only our Umba would know the answer to.
Ask me anything. Yes, I'll know the answer.
Do you remember when me and Rue were invisible when we fought Tyrannus?
Of course I remember.
Then you are not the real Umba. It was you and me that were invisible, not Rue.
I promise you, I'm the real Umba.
I know you are. I trust you.
Let's find the stone and get out of here.
Wait, look at that.
The core stone. It has to be.
You need the stone, don't you? It gives you power. We get what you are, so show us what you really look like, coward. It won't let us take the stone.
We're not leaving without it. Let's do this.
1, 2, 3, hold!